today's job, we're going to be giving this interior a bit of a clean on my Civic EP3. It's been 2-3 months now to getting this thing back on the road. So I had to have a bit of welding and all sorts. I passed yesterday, get in. What we're going to be using is this brilliant stuff, Dodo juice, total wipeout. Now I do believe they changed their branding a bit recently, so the bottles might look a bit different to this now. But you can get this stuff online and it's brilliant. So I'm going to be showing you the way I like to apply it to get a real nice finish and get all this muck off. Oh my god. Yeah. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so this is what I like to use. I've got a jug, some hot water, I'll cut off a bit of sponge there. So what we do, we spray it on, give a bottle of shake, make sure the nozzle's on, obviously. Yeah, let's start with this bit, because you can see it's got a bit of dirt there, so just spray it on, bear with. Apply liberally. Get your sponge. Don't want it wringing wet, just damp. And just work it in. Make sure we get a nice finish over everything. Helps to be doing it on a warmer day. Obviously, it's a rarity in the UK. But it helps it dry. But we will be going over it with drying cloth after. I really like this stuff because it's not just a spray it on, wipe it off sort of affair. We're giving it a proper clean, you know. This stuff's won awards, and rightly so, it's worth every penny. So I'll just show you this section. And it gives a nice finish as well. Quite a long way. I've had this bottle for about a year now. Obviously, hasn't had much use lately. I've used it on a few cars, my wife's car, mother-in-law's car. Get extra brownie points, you know what I mean? Keeps it clean. So as you can see, it's coming up nice. And you can even use it on metal work as well. I'll show you that in a minute. Use it on your plastics. Yeah, so there we are. That nice and evenly applies. So, applied it on, give the sponge a little rinse out, and you can see that water's changing colour already because it picks out all that nasty dirt that's built up. I remember the first time I did this on this car, when I got it a few years ago. I was wringing that out and it was just coming out black. Get yourself drying cloth, work it over. As you can see, it's getting a nice shine on it already. Giving it a proper good clean, it gets in all the grains. Use a decent drying cloth. To be fair, this one wasn't overly expensive. I got it from Wilkinson's and it's massive. Doesn't have to be state of the art. Drying technology, just a fucking cloth. Excuse my French. Should put a PG rating on this video. Right, so as you can see, this is coming up beaut. There we are. As it dries, that shine really comes up. Getting all the nooks and crannies. Alright, what I like to do as well is just do a section at a time. There you go, you can see the difference already. Look at that shine. won't show you the whole interior, just a few bits, so you get the idea. It gets a real nice deep clean. See the shine on it there, lovely. Gets all the grains. I'll just show you this gear knob as well, because it works nice on that. Okay, so it works on metalwork. Apply a little bit to it, you don't need a lot. Yeah, that fired out, didn't it? Alright. Get your sponge, get it damp, just work it on. Wondering where I got the gear knob from. It's actually a standard one. I just took it off and I polished it on a drill. Put sandpaper over it. Finished it, you know, working down through the grades, and just finished it off with auto sole metal polish. And I went from like a brushed, tired metal with dinks in it, scratches, to this nice shiny one. Alright, so as you can see, it's looking pretty good already. Always give a sponge a rinse as you finish with it, in case you forget next time when you go to use it again. Get your cloth, a nice polish. Just look at that shine coming up. Obviously, if you want a deeper clean, you might want to just take it off and get some auto-sole on it. For a quick job, mirror finish. Happy days. So yeah, I'm not going to show you the whole thing, because that'll take a while. Dodo juice, total wipeout, all-purpose cleaner. Go get yourself some. Brilliant. Anyway, hope this helps. See you next time. Okay, quick bonus scene for you. After a nice clean, comes up alright for an old girl. The odd little blemish and scuff, ignore them. Can't feel scratch out of it. You get the idea. If you've got any painted surfaces, like I painted this in the middle, you can finish that off with a bit of quick detailer, make it pop. But just with the APC, you can see it's got a shine to it. Look at that. Alright, thanks for watching my video. See you next time.